Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. A lot from Metal Earth and Fascinations this week. After my last update, my last news video, Fascinations or Metal Earth posted a sort of teaser of Lord of the Rings models, upcoming Lord of the Rings models. Now in the pictures, at first I thought they were Lord of the Rings models, or actually Metal Earth models that were painted or colored, but upon closer inspection, they seem to be more mock-ups or prototypes, so I did email someone at Metal Earth and find out more information, and they are indeed prototypes. They have not yet gone into production, so I guess they're still in the early stages. Now the pictures that they posted showed what looks like Barad-dûr, Orthanc, Minas Tirith, and I believe something from Rivendell. Whether or not they have more models or those are the only ones, I'm not sure, but I did contact someone at Fascinations and was told that they are indeed prototypes. They're not sure which ones they're going to move forward with as of yet. They asked for my input at which ones they thought that would be more successful. So my suggestion, and I'm putting in this video right now, if you'd like to see some of these models or some of the ones that they put on their Facebook and Instagram page, especially if you want to see ones more than others, go comment what you would like to see and what you would like them to put out to help give them an idea of what they should move forward with. Of course, personally, I'd like for them to move forward with all of them, but there may be some limitations. It was also said as well in the email that they have some Lord of the Rings Legends models in the works coming soon. Thought that was kind of interesting and thought I would share. And also looking at the Fascinations website, a lot of models have moved from the coming soon section to the new section. And those include all of the Star Wars helmets models that I know people have been asking about, as well as the new Iconics Optimus Prime colored model and the two planes, the F-117 Nighthawk and the B-17 Lancer. Now I haven't seen any blips from any sites that sell the models saying that these are new in stock. My favorite shop, Your Toy Mart, has not shown them, and they're usually pretty good about saying, especially with Star Wars, hey, this stuff is available, come buy it now. But keep an eye out, because that's usually an indication they're shipping out and on their way to stores. Now also speaking of Metal Earth, I have been looking for more information on the Shanghai Disney exclusive models that I've heard a little bit about, and thanks to Tracy Lynn on Facebook, I now have a link to where a few of them can potentially be purchased. They have, not only do they have the Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto, they also have the Shanghai Disney Resort main gate and what they are calling the Dream Castle, which I believe is basically the Enchanted Storybook Castle. All for sale on this website now. I can't personally vouch for this website. I've never used it before, but I'll put a link in the description down below if you'd like to check it out for yourself. If you're itching to get one of those exclusives, you can apparently order it through there, and if in the future I do order, I will let you know how it goes. If you order, please let me know how your experience was, because I'd be curious to know. These are some exclusive models. I'm not dying to get them, but I would like to have them, and I didn't even know about the Dream Castle. So that's kind of exciting. There's a lot new going on with Fascinations of Metal Earth, but looking at Peace Cool and MU's website, there doesn't seem to be anything new this week. A check of AliExpress shows a lot of the same, with one exception. It looks like on Crazy Toys store, they now have the 3 different colored roses available from Peace Cool. So those are available through that store, and possibly others on AliExpress for you to order now. I mentioned those in a previous video coming soon from Peace Cool. Well, apparently they're now available. I should also mention that, as I had stated before, it looks like the roses will be sold separately, and it appears that they are on this particular seller's website. They have each rose shown in a separate box sold separately, but they also offer a package deal where you can get all 3 in one. Thanks to Man on the Screen for asking a question in the Metal Earth Reddit and basically pointing out a section of Emmy's website I had previously missed. Little scrolly things across the top that show the different things that they have coming and whatnot. If you click on the Looney Tunes one, there's a collector's quest that they've already posted up. The models aren't out yet, but they've got the quest out. Basically, there's 5 models. If you collect all 5 models according to this page and send in what amounts to a proof of purchase, cut off a little symbol or picture on the back of each model and send it in, you can obtain a 6th model, Looney Tunes exclusive model, that I guess is only available this way. Now there's the notation that it's limited supplies, so kind of a first come first serve as supplies last. I guess this is the only way you can get it. I don't know what the model is, it's a mystery, but I intend on trying to find out. So if you're interested in getting all 6 models, when they come out, buy them all, clip off the back and send it in and try to beat everybody else. I know that's what I'm going to try and do. But thank you to Man on the Screen for unintentionally pointing that out. Yes, you did ask the question, did you make the news today, this week? Yes, you have. And that's it for this week. Any new information comes available, always keep an eye on my social media, Facebook and Instagram mostly, or Twitter. If there's something really big and new coming up, I occasionally post it there as well. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.